Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make one of the famous Soviet fighter plane, especially in Korean War. It's MiG-15. Until now, maybe about 18,000 units was built in Soviet and other countries with license. It's amazing. Back to the model, I will make the fuselage first. From nose to tail, I will make it 5 parts. Then I will make the main wings, rudder, and elevator. In this model, I will not making a landing gear because I prefer use a standing, and after the wings I will make a cockpit like instrument panels, ejection seat, and canopy. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to support the channel by give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go jump to it. This is the pattern of a fuselage from nose to tail is 5 parts. The paperboard I use art carton 210 grams. Cut the paperboard following the patterns. Be careful here, don't make a mistake, because if you make a mistake you have to start from beginning. Yeah, this is the result. Roll the pattern into a circle. Use a glue to join the parts together. fuselage. I don't apply a glue for this part to ease making air intake details. And also to ease making cockpit details. This is the wing patterns, and I will try to making main wings and the others. Make a hole in the fuselage for the main wings position. And remember, don't make the hole too big. After main wing in position, I will continue to another parts. In the next video, I will finish cockpit section and other details, including painting. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and keep healthy.